This is a brand new website, and from this website we can earn money without doing nothing. The best part is they are paying us for sign up on this website too. As you can see, the only website that pays you to join for free. In today's video, I will show you just how to earn money on this website by doing nothing. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, and if it helps you a bit, hit the like button and share it with others. Now let's start the video. So this is the website that will certainly pay us to do nothing. Watch this video until the end because this is not the only website that we will utilize today. I will show you everything step by step, so don't skip the video. So many people do one step incorrectly, and also if you do it incorrectly, you will certainly not earn any money. So that's why I'm telling you to watch the full video. Anyways, if you are wondering what is the name of this website, the name of this website is guaranteedownlineclub.com. One more time, this is guaranteedownlineclub.com. However, don't go straight to the website because as I said, this is not the only one we will utilize. The only club that pays you to join for free. So how much do they pay to join? They are paying us $5 as a sign up bonus. Yes, $5 to enter an email address as well as a password. That's impressive. Alright, now this is just how this works. There are 3 easy steps, and the first step is to sign up. I will show you just how to create an account in a couple of minutes. The second step, and this is how we will certainly earn money today. As you can see, share with your friends, get your referral link as well as share it with everyone to make more money. Watch the full video because I will show you how to get hundreds of referrals for free. So the third step is to start earning even more. Of course, there are some other ways to make money, but we are not interested in those ways. Exactly how to create an account on this website. First, click on sign up. Then you will be taken over to this page. Right here, you want to enter your name, username, password and email address. Once you have done that, click here and then click register now. It's as simple as that. So this is one of the essential steps of this method. As I said in the beginning, many people do this step incorrectly. But if you watch this video until the end, you can do it appropriately. Alright, this is just how it will look once you created your account. As you can see, this is my $5 sign up bonus. And now what you want to do is copy this link right here. Once you copied it, you want to go to the website. This is Trendry.com. Again, Trendry.com. What is Trendry? This is a make money online forum. People who like making money online will certainly come here to learn make money online tricks, methods and other things. There are more than 25,000 members on this forum, and all of those people are targeted traffic. They all want to earn money online. Because of that, all we want to do is share our referral web link, and after that, thousands of people will certainly sign up to that website. From one referral, we will earn 50 cents. After that, imagine how much we can make money from this simple approach. The best part is our referrals will also earn $5 as a sign-up bonus. If a person creates an account using your referral link, you will earn 50 cents and they will earn $5. Now click on register, and after that create a free account. It's easy and also 100% free. Once you created your account, what you want to do is you want to share your referral link. How to do it? Pay close attention right here because this is very important. So many people do this part incorrectly, and I don't want you to do it like that. First, click the post thread. Then we want to select a forum. As you can see, there are a lot of forums right here. From these forums, I want you to choose the Earn Money forum. Now you will be taken over to this page where you can create a post. First, we want to enter a title. Right here, you want to say earn free PayPal money now, $5 sign up bonus, and after that here, you want to say some things about that website. You can say a new website to earn free PayPal money, $5 sign up bonus. Reply to me with your email address and I will certainly send you the details, or you can comment, I will inbox you. After that, put some text like make money online and click post thread. That's what you all need to do. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with your friends and family. If you like our videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Let us know how much money you make by utilizing this strategy in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.